60 well-trained and well-experienced dedicated teachers. We have a fleet of 24 buses to ply on 14 different routes, engaging 14 transport personnel. Learning gives creativity gives to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. As you know that education plays a major role in the development of our society. In today's world, no institution of repute and quality can afford to sit on its laurels. So a decisive shift in pedagogical approach under the able guidance of the school director Mr. Divakar Yadav, who is dynamic, active and energetic, help the PIs to gain a better reputation. I wish to acknowledge the efforts and guidance of our management, as their collaboration and contribution has made a difference. We are adopting various measures to achieve our goal. Teachers play a major and very important role for the development of a school. We have well-qualified, experienced and competent teachers with good subject knowledge and skill to teach. Though we have village students and some of them were below average in study, but our teachers have brought them at reasonably good level. None of these achievements would have been possible without the single-minded commitment and dedicated care of our teachers. We are also constantly encouraged by parents and well-wishers who have shown much confidence and given their fullest support. I would like to thank each one of you for being a significant part of this glorious journey. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young minds to grow and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. We set standards and goals for ourselves and strive to achieve them, be it in the area of academics, sports, discipline, leadership, and many more. PIS has been providing the future of our children. We focus on supporting all students to reach their potential academically, socially, and emotionally. Our staff has high expectations and adopt a wide variety of innovative teaching practices. This session has been very impressive and rewarding for the school. We provide different platforms to administrator holistic education to our students, and I take you through our efforts of achievement registered by the school in yet another session of academic escalation. Reach high, for stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream reaches the goal. Our academic excellence, CBSE affiliation. With the efforts of school management and teachers, our school received CBSE affiliation on 14 September 2024 for the current session. Our students are appearing in board exam this year. Last year, our students in class 10 result was 100% and highest being 91% of Amit Yadav. Co-curricular activities. Our school take care of overall development of the children. They are exposed to maximum co-curricular activities. The students are mentored to participate in a variety of inter-school competitions. These help them not only to expose their talents but also develop their multi-dimensional growth. Developing the leadership quality in each student, a house system has been introduced and all students are divided in 4 different houses to create an competition among them. There is also an elected student council which takes care of every activities, competitions, discipline, and it creates a healthy environment among junior and senior students. They are participating in different activities like extempore, music, dance, discussion, debate, group discussion, and many more. This year our teachers attended Teachers Redemption Program, symposium and seminars. In this way, they always update their knowledge. We have a young visionary director who has mission to take the school on new high. Under the able guidance of director, it has helped school to gain a better reputation. The school is progressing in leaps and bounds towards its mission to meet global challenges with value orientation and liberation. Achieving excellence is at the heart of our